What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video we're wrapping this mini fridge San Jose Shark themed. Let's go. Alright, so we got the prints right here. Just got these printed, designed yesterday, printed today. Nice and quick production here. So we got cleaned up, I already cleaned it up, doing the top, both sides, and a piece on the front here, covering up whatever the logo was here. So let's get into it. Here we got our prints that we're putting on. We got one piece here going on the one side. This is going on the other side. We got the logo here that's going on the top of the fridge, and then this is going on the front piece on the fridge here. So, okay, so we're gonna start by just cutting these pieces out. Okay, so we're gonna start with this piece here. We are using Arlon. Okay, so right now I'm just measuring to make sure we're the same from the bottom here of this S to the bottom of this S to the bottom, and we are. Now I just want to make sure we're the same distance. Okay, so we are good right where we are here. I am going to take my nice little handy twin blade backing cutter. Slice through that. I'll just take my finger. Got a little dent in the fridge there. Just gonna work that. Okay, let's take our magnets off. Pull back just a little bit, just so you're not super tight. Putting pretty good pressure, not like insane amounts of pressure, but good amount of pressure on that squeegee. Now I'll just go over everything again. There we go. Now all we have to do is we're going to heat around the edges, and then we're going to trim the edges all the way around, and we'll be good to go on this side. Alright, so I now have this side fully finished off. We got it wrapped around the inside there a little bit, so when you close the door, you don't see the seam. Nice and clean finish there. So it does look like this isn't lined up properly, like straight, but that's because there's a dent in the mini fridge right here. So it's not that I don't have this on straight, there's just a little dent there, so it makes it look off. So we're going to move over to installing this side right here, and then we'll move on to the top and the front. So I'm going to get that. Pull that backing off. All right, so we'll just keep on squeegeeing this down. Now we do have enough on this. I did give myself enough here. Since we have the 1/4 inch bleed on each side, I don't really need the bleed on this side much, so I didn't realize that I had this much room to wrap around, or that needed to be wrapped around. So what I am doing is I'm moving more towards this side, and I did the same thing on the other side. So we have a little bit of wrap around on the back, not a whole lot, but enough that when you're looking at it face on, you won't see white. And then we'll build the wrap around perfectly into the lid of the fridge, so you won't see any white past this seal. So. Just pushing down the edges, make sure we got everything here. All right, so I'll give you guys a close up of what I'm talking about with that bleed. Okay, so as you can tell right there, that's part of the face of the fridge. Well, we're gonna wrap around there so that you don't see that white. And here, I'll end up wrapping in and behind this piece here. And then we'll wrap around, just barely around this edge. And then the back side will get wrapped like this here. That. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my vacuum cutter. That. Just with my thumb, I'm just pressing down on the edges there a little bit. And then I'm gonna measure what I have on each side here. So I do need to move over to the one side here a little bit. Which that little bit that I just did is probably enough. Okay, so that is exactly where I want it. Just gonna take my backing off of this side. Okay, so I did wrap this back corner. So we wrapped those corners a little bit, wrapped this, and then wrapped the edge here. So we're gonna do a similar thing here. Oh no, here we have a sharp edge. So here we will just slowly go down with our thumb. You can take a squeegee if you want, or you could use your thumb for this. But with a squeegee. Like that. So now all we gotta do yet is just some trimming. All right, so here we go. This is the top of the mini fridge. So I haven't cut out the holes for the screw holes. There, you haven't done that yet, or punched them out. I do need a post heat, so we're gonna get that done, and then it's just a matter of doing the top piece there, which is this guy here. All right, so we're on to the last piece here. This is a nice little flimsy piece, so it's gonna be fun to get this one down. This one does have some other branding stuck on the other side. I can't get it off because it is printed onto the plastic, not wrapped. So it's like probably UV printed or something like that onto there. So we're gonna go full wrap all the way around this. Now these pieces get covered, as you're seeing, like there's still from the other print on the other side on there. This gets covered by these end caps. So a little bit of trimming this piece here. And I think, yeah, there's a slot here that needs to be trimmed too. So, but there we go, there's the gist of that. All right, so I have the fridge all put back together and fully wrapped. Got the top, the front, both sides finished up, ready to go. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this and what wrap theme would you go with on a mini fridge. Let me know down in the comments below. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini fridge, custom San Jose Sharks themed wrap. It's obviously one of a kind because it was designed specifically for this customer. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.